There's a whale in Rainbow Harbor in Long Beach. He's been here a few days, and apparently they tried to take him back out, but he came back. He likes it here. Maybe the fishing is good. Every so often you'll see him surface. He is, yeah. See him under the water. Nice. Nice. I love it. So he should be coming around again soon. He's making a circle this way. Do you see him? Huh? No? Where? Oh, there. He came over on the other side now. Where? Where? Oh, there's something over there. Here he is. Here he is. He was right here. There he is. People are boarding the Catalina Express. I'm sure they're all hoping to see it, get a chance to see our whale. Here he is! Yay! And it looks like he's going that way, but kind of hard to be sure. There, see there's a little puddle over there. There's another one over there. I think I can follow him. There's a puddle over there. Can you see the little bubbles? I think he's over there right now. Then he's here. Maybe. Then here. Then here. Do you see him? Then here. Then here. Okay, I can track him. Where is he next? There. There. Where did he go after that? There. I lost the bubble trail. Do you see him? Okay, lost the trail. There he is. There is a whale in Rainbow Harbor in Long Beach, and it's around there somewhere. They said it's been making U-turns, so I'm looking for it. Right there, I think. Does it ever come up? Does it come up? Oh, okay. Oh, there it is. Wow. Cool. We are so lucky. We are so lucky.
What, to see it?
Yeah. It's our very own aquatic park. There it is. He likes to come up in that area. The fishing must be good. There he is. Fun.